after staying home for like 6.5 to 7 months, today I'll be really traveling for a longer route, and that's none other than where I came from, that is Shirpur. So I traveled from Shirpur to Dahanu during March, that is when the pandemic started, but now we need to get our luggage out of there and there is no chance we wish to take any night halls. So we're all set to leave home by 5 a.m. so that we can reach, I can pack my stuff really fast and get back home by tonight. So let's hope the journey goes great. We are right now on Jawhar Road, like heading towards Jawhar Road. So let's hope the roads are better and we reach them. Jawhar town. So me and my family used to come here during monsoons, like my whole family, and there was this place nearby very well known for misal pav and vada pav, but pandemic really got us crazy this time and we couldn't visit it this year, but at least the feels of it brings back a lot of memories. We went up the ghats and down the ghats, and now it's beautiful. I really doubt if pandemic really exists here, and the filled rickshaws make me feel better for a reason. One of the most beautiful roads you are ever going to see, and the monsoon has made everything so lush, green, pretty and so scenic, and the baby sun rays are actually blooming up everywhere. If you're someone who stays near Mumbai or near Vapi, Valsad or nearby areas, you should visit Jawhar once in a while, especially during monsoon, to actually experience the true beauty of nature and that free of cost. I mean, wow. And there are a lot of treks around this place as well, if you try to research about a few of them. But the roads leave you speechless every single time. And for as many years we keep traveling here, every time it never fails to amaze us with its true beauty. When I travelled in March, it was all dry and it was very boring, but now again it has all become so pretty. entered Nashik city. Found this Ola rickshaw and I'm glad that they have this thing separated. And Nashik looks really moving with the traffic and stuff, but I'm glad that people are really wearing masks. So now we are finally at the Mumbai-Agra highway. We have passed through Nashik city and now most probably we'll be able to speed up well and reach fast. We are just 2.5 hours away. The weather is really cool, it's sunny and nice. Finally the car is a little stable and we can talk. So we left from Dahanu, as I said, Charoti is 25 kilometers, that is the distance from Dahanu town to the highway. And from there are two roads. One goes to Gujarat side, which is via NH48, that is Valsad, Bardoli, Navsari side, and the one is Jawhar, and we took the Jawhar road, which for the fact the road wasn't that great because due to monsoons roads have been really bad lately, so for that reason we slowed down, but after Nashik we picked up the pace. So right now we are estimated to reach ASAP. That's the pickup. Almost 11:10 and we are near Malegaon. This is the line for the toll, like it's before Dhule and you can see like it's crazy. There's a lot of traffic, it's like a never-ending line and a lot of people without mask. I mean, wow, at least wear a mask, yaar. Crossed Dhule 5 minutes back and we will reach Shirpur, that is my college, in next half an hour. We crossed the last toll for Shirpur.